ES Diagnostics specializes in clinical biochemistry and was founded by ES Medical, who distribute innovative medical equipment in response to the need for progress in the field of diagnostics.
Our main goal is to improve the diagnosis of diseases that have a major impact on society, such as the assessment of immunity to COVID-19. To achieve this, we make the latest biomedical discoveries accessible to society, using the most innovative technology while providing a personalized, user-centered service. At IES Diagnostics, we are experts in the implementation of microsampling technology, performing highly complex analyses from a few drops of blood. Using innovative microsample collection devices and our cutting-edge equipment, such as the Agility automation system, we are able to offer a much higher level of accuracy compared to the manual operation. The procedure we have adopted at IES Diagnostics allows the user to perform the self-test in a comfortable, easy and non-painful way from their own home, what is in great demand in today's society. Furthermore, the user can access a unique diagnostic report from a mobile device, which is also an identity hallmark of IES Diagnostics. The user receives personalized, accessible, user-friendly information based on the latest scientific and medical findings. At IES Diagnostics, we focus on the development of diagnostics in different areas, such as infectious diseases, anti-inflammatory diseases, and cancer biomarkers. We have the capacity to identify necessities and coordinate our resources to deliver solutions. Therefore, we identified the need to provide citizens with all the information on their SARS-CoV-2 immunity status.
For this, we incorporate the latest technology to measure the antibodies that effectively neutralize the virus, which allows us to perform this test in a Level 2 laboratory. Until now, this measurement was only possible with a traditional live virus neutralization test, which was not accessible to the general public.
ES Diagnostics, bringing knowledge and innovation closer to the user.